Hello!
It's summer holidays, isn't it?
Yeah.
He's finished school and finally, near enough 10 months after starting this process of selling a house, we have a completion date. So van work has been stopped for the past couple of weeks, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And he's
I
become...
don't think we've done anything, have we?
Not really.
Is it bought the paint?
Yeah, we bought paint. Paint and stuff sat there ready to finish, but...
It's Gold Bus.
It's not the gold bus, is it?
It's Gold Bus.
This is a staging area for moving. These are all the wardrobes going down, and he is being used again as a transport van. So his boot section is absolutely ram-packed, and I'm just about to get the wardrobes in here.
He's a great removals van, isn't he?
He's done well so far, hasn't he? Yeah. I still think we're going to need another van on the day because we just can't get the big furniture in now that everything's built in. But yeah, unfortunately, we've not done a lot, have we? I got these sides finished off, and some wiring done.
I think we're just going to dump all our stuff at the new house and go
Yeah.
on holiday.
Well, we've
had enough now.
We've got a few days, haven't we, to try and finish off while services are connected and stuff like that. And then once that happens, we'll be gone. Even if it's only got undercoat on the walls, we're going to be gone, aren't we? We've got to get away. Got to get away.
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, that's us doing the joyful thing of packing up and moving.
Why can it not be like the soaps?
Why can we not just go
with a suitcase with all your worldly belongings?
Or the bit at the end of the one where it's, you know, he's Father Christmas and he gets him the house at the end. What's it called?
Santa.
Miracle on 34th Street.
It's Santa.
Yeah, and at the end she wishes for a brother or sister, a dad, and a house. And all of a sudden she's got that house that was the catalogue house filled with they didn't even need to move anything. Oh, yeah. If only real life was like that, hey?
A miracle in Southport is what we need.
So yeah, we're moving.
What's Freya doing, Max?
Be a driver.
She's being the driver.
Yours.
What's she doing? Silly Freya, isn't she? Hey. Are you driving?
One eternity later.
So we're finally here at last. We've moved, and I'll take you down the garden and show you. The house is upside down still, obviously. It's just chaos everywhere. We haven't even got a couch to sit on. Everything's just tipped up because we had to move, and we've downsized from a big house into a smaller house, and a man that has a garage and 4 sheds. So yeah, and we haven't even emptied the storage container yet. So wish us luck on the next few weeks. Some pretty pink flowers there. Hydrangeas, and it goes on forever, this garden. It's beautiful. It obviously needs a lot of work doing. Got a roundabout as well. Who'd have thought, eh? A roundabout in our own garden. Oh. We're going to have to cut all these bushes back. But we're going to keep a lot of them. We've got blackberries and they're in full bloom at the moment. Tons of them. So we'll be feeding lots of birds and insects, I'm sure. Maybe some hedgehogs. I don't know if they eat blackberries or not. But yeah. Like I say, there's a lot of work to be done, but yeah, it'll be lovely. And there's the roundabout from this end. Don't really know what that's about, but we'll be digging that up very soon. We need to get Maximus his trampoline up, his swings up, his football nets.